Welcome back, everybody. You know, I've been doing more griddling videos than ever, hitting on all cylinders. We're griddling left and right all day long, but it's so nice to take a break and do something a little bit different. So today, I want to show you an Ace exclusive. This is the 36-inch Blackstone griddle with hood and some cool features. So Blackstone 36-inch with a hood and an absolutely brand new knob design, totally different than the knobs that you're gonna see on the Walmart premium Blackstone griddles. And it comes with 3 of the side shelf hooks. These are the ones that everybody's going crazy over. Magnetic bar tool strip over on the right shelf. And a world premiere mounted bottle opener. Let me open this bad boy up, assemble it, and then we'll take a closer look. Instruction manual packet inside the box. So you have your instruction manuals. There is a Griddle sticker, one of those cool transparent ones you can put on a car window, as well as a cool book with coupons for Heinz products, ketchup, barbecue sauce, stuff like that. Coupons good through the end of the year. I am not going to do an assembly video, so I'll put this thing together and then we'll take that closer look. All right, I just opened my first pack of parts, and right from the get-go, I really like this. See, I've never seen this one before, friends. So this is that similar design that, you know, Walmart has something similar to this. They're magnetic, but check this out. Oh yeah, baby. Screw on the other side. So this is going to be permanently attached to the faceplate of the griddle. I love that. These are going to be secure and 3 great hooks. So this is sweet. And more parts right here. Let's see if I can open this up to show it to you. That's the brand new knob right there. Totally new design. This is exclusive on this Ace model, and that is a thing of beauty. Oh my goodness, I like that. I got the new griddle all assembled. Now I have literally assembled, seasoned, cooked on well over 100 Blackstone griddles over the years. So I'm very used to assembling them. This one took me a little bit longer because there's some new parts and some things were re-engineered. So with my skill set, with my experience assembling these griddles like crazy, this probably took me around 40 minutes to assemble. That involved reading some instructions and whatnot. So I would say if you're pretty good at reading instructions, looking at pictures, putting together outdoor equipment, probably 45 minutes to an hour. And if you're totally new to this, if you've never put one of these together, if you don't assemble lots of outdoor cooking equipment and maybe you're not handy with tools, it might take you an hour to an hour and a half. So probably took me 40 minutes. Right from the get-go, let me tell you, I'm very impressed. It's a substantial griddle. The aesthetics are sweet, and there are a couple things on here that you're not going to find on any other Blackstone griddle. I mentioned these earlier. This is the left side shelf, and these hooks look similar to the magnetic ones that are available at Walmart and blackstoneproducts.com, but they're permanently attached. For me, boom, I love this thing. So you can put your spatulas on there, and super nice. They're spaced out well. I love these permanently attached hooks. Come over here to the right side shelf. You'll see the magnetic strip here. You're starting to see that on some of the Blackstone griddles. So perfect place to put your spatulas. Magnetic strip. Paper towel roll holder, which I use all the time. And what's nice about this unit is it has the paper towel roll holder that locks in place, and then you can click it and move it inside when you're not using it. And these, of course, have the collapsible side shelves to save space. And just like the permanently attached side shelf hooks over on the left side, this bottle top opener is an Ace exclusive. Oh yeah. A shout out to all my Texas friends and subscribers. Bottle top opener. I like it. Thumbs up, baby. And for the first time ever, a 36-inch griddle with hood that is not sold exclusively at Walmart. So, you know, we have people out there, we have fans that have allegiances to stores. Now, we can't accommodate a griddle for, you know, Joe Smith's hardware store and make one specifically for him. But Blackstone has teamed with Ace to create this griddle. So, bam, look at this. We have some customers that have the old front grease and they haven't been around for a couple of years. So yeah, we've been rocking that rear grease for a couple of years now. And this is also something new, something exclusive. We have the igniter button over here on the left side. And each of the 4 burners are independently controlled. So super excited to bring the brand new Blackstone Ace exclusive 36-inch griddle with hood to you. Look for me cooking on this in a video real soon. We're gonna fire this baby up. I gotta season it up later tonight. So it's 2 days later. Yesterday I was doing a Facebook Live, Blackstone Products Facebook Live up at the Adventures Out West Pikes Peak Zipline Hill. So if you're not already following Blackstone on their social media, get over there. Facebook.com/Blackstone Products. Did an hour-long live. We were zip-lining 7,000 feet, going across 13 stories across the canyon and griddling some street tacos. So get over there. Wanted to mention one more thing. As I was getting ready to edit this video, I was reminded that when you buy something from Ace, when you buy an appliance, an outdoor cooking appliance from Ace, if you're an Ace Rewards member, they will assemble it and deliver it to your house for free. So I'm not an advocate for one store over another, but if you sell Blackstone griddles, that's what I'm talking about here on my channel. So there you go, that's the Blackstone exclusive. This is a sweet griddle, 36-inch Ace griddle with hood. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord.